Hey everybody, it is Stephen Banks here from BrokeToBanks.com, and today we have yet another review, this time for Easy Instant Profits. Now, Easy Instant Profit is going live on the 29th of May, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, let me not waste your time any longer. Let's go through the product. Let's see what's good, what's not good, and let me also show you my bonuses. In fact, I'm going to show you the bonuses first. This way you know what they are. You can have a look around to everybody else that's going to sell it. There's going to be a ton of people that's going to sell this product. But if you buy through my link, you're going to get so much value. I guarantee you it's going to be some of the best bonuses out there. So let's quickly have a look right over here on my blog. It's a full review of the product. As you can see, it's going on again the 29th of May at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I have 50 bonus bundles left. So that means I get to give 50 lucky buyers, the first 50 people to buy through my link, to get these bonuses. Now don't worry, even if there's only one left and you purchase, you'll still get it. So Easy Instant Profits, full review on my page. And these are the bonuses that I was talking about. Now, a lot of people's going to try and give you some crappy PLR products that they bought for 99 cents. And they're going to tell you, oh, it's the most amazing products. Now, do some of those PLR products work, the information in them? Yes. Are they necessarily the highest quality? No. The reason why is clear to see. It's if you buy PLR, how much value can there really be in a 99-cent product? Not much at all, and there's no proof that it actually works. In fact, what I'm giving to you is guaranteed products that work. These products are being sold currently, and you're going to get them absolutely free of charge through my link. And I have special permission from all of these vendors. They're top internet marketers. So without further ado, let me just go through it and show you exactly what you're going to get. First bonus is 5-Figure Freedom from Brendan Mace and Mr. X. Now, this is the product. Let me just pull it up for you real quick over here. 5-Figure Freedom. Step-by-step method for building a five-figure monthly income in less than 1 hour daily. Now, that is absolutely, by that headline alone, I'm sold. They're going to go through the whole product here. It's a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just showing you real quick. I want to show you some income proof here. $19,000 by doing this. I mean, that is really good income. I want to show you down here. You can see here it's still being sold. $6.66. 666. That's not a very good number. But I want to go quickly through the frequently asked questions. What is 5-Figure Freedom? It's a simple method that they've put together that makes it easy for anyone to go from 0 to 5 figures per month with less than an hour of simple work a day. Anyone can do this and it gets big results. Is it complicated? Do you need any experience or special skills? None whatsoever. Everything is in the training. It's super easy. What makes this different from any other training courses out there? Well, it is proven by Brendan Mace and Mr. X themselves. There is no theory. You're getting a complete system for online success. Traffic. You get traffic for free included in this 100% complete system. You get everything you need to start making money fast. How much will you make? Again, as you can see, it's just a whole lot of value just in this one bonus alone. I'm also going to give you the list building on steroids from Brendan Mace. Now, this is a guy that makes up to $50,000 every single month. And if you make that amount of money, I don't know about you, but I am opening my ears and taking up any little piece of advice that person can give. And in list building steroids, he reveals it all. Now, everybody knows in this business, the money is in the list. So why not learn how to build a list from one of the best top internet marketers out there? Somebody that gets paid up to $50,000 a month, and he just travels the world. He's constantly on holiday, hardly ever working. This man has a life that I envy, to a point. And one day I will also get there, but that's besides the point of this video. Sorry, I don't want to make the seem hypey. I just think it's really good products. That's just the bonuses alone. Bonus number 3, Jonas Lindgren's Lazy Method. Now, he's a good friend of mine. He's going to show you, now this is with his permission that I get to give this away once again. If you purchase this through my link, he's going to show you how to turn 2 to 4 hours of work a week into $1,500 per month. Again, this is being sold. However, you're going to get it free as one of my bonuses. Jonas Lindgren is one of the guys. He shot up to the top real quick. He knows what he's doing. And just by the headline alone, by the product name, Lindgren's Lazy Method. I think that's a great name. I think it sums it up. And to be perfectly honest, I think just by that name alone, I actually bought the product. That's how much I was sold on that. And then, of course, I'm going to throw in one of my bonuses. I don't do this all the time. I'm going to do it for this product again. It's a whopping $60 discount on group traffic profits from Retro-Techie. Now, I have reseller rights to this, which means I can sell it at any price that I choose. I can't give it away absolutely 100% free. So I'm going to give you a $60 discount. Now, this product is a full product that teaches you how to get Facebook traffic, how to build Facebook pages, a built-in audience, how to do all of that. You get free software, editing software, and how to make graphics absolutely free. No more Photoshop or complicated software. No more hiring somebody from Fiverr. All of that's out the window. You're going to get that. Plus, there's another piece of software. You can all have a look at it on the page, and I'm actually going to show you real quick here. Group traffic profits. Let me just show you one real quick thing. Retro-Techie, Mike Vermain, big names. I'm sure you've heard of them. Let me quickly show you. Go down. Where is it? Retro-Techie also earns like 30 to 50,000 US dollars every month. So not only are you going to get one, but you're going to get 2 people that's going to explain absolutely everything. There's the software, Facebook link post plugin for WordPress. Really good product. You should check it out. You're going to get it free of charge if you purchase again through my link. But I want to show you down here. There we go, $67. However, if you purchase this product through a link that you're going to get in the download area, if you purchase the product through that link, it's only going to charge you $7. You'll actually see that the payment button alone will then show $7, not $67. It's currently being sold. People are loving this product, and you get it for $7. That's one of the best bonuses that I can give out, purely because nowhere else are you going to get it for that price, guaranteed. So now that we know all of our products, let me quickly go through why we're actually here. What are we reviewing? Again, it's Easy Instant Profits. It's going live on the 29th of May, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I've made a couple of notes here on the side, and I'm going to go through this with you real quick. Now, I know it's already been 8 minutes just telling you about the bonuses, but it's because the bonuses, again, it's not some crappy PLR product that somebody's put together promising that it's going to... These are actual products that's being sold, guaranteed. I mean, you know what? You can decide for yourself. I'm sure you can see the value in. You are a bunch of smart people out there. You can see the value. You make the decision. You can see what other people are giving away. If it's not the best, please do not buy through me by all means. But I'm sure I'm going to see you in the download area. Okay, so Easy Instant Profits. Now I'm going to quickly show you. 100% newbie friendly, no tech skills required, no sales copy to write, no videos to make. That's a big one, no videos. A lot of people are afraid to be on camera. You don't have to. Again, you don't have to write sales copy. You basically just watch the video training, you set it up, profit. And you get paid by PayPal, which is accepted all over the world. And you can make up to $285 per sale and get passive income 24/7. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this because this is a sales page. You can read through it yourself. But I just want to show you a few things on the sales page before I show you the download area. Again, I've got a review copy of this. So I'm going to show you exactly what it is that you're going to get on the inside. All right, so here we have some income screenshots. Now, this is for 5 days only. this is basically Monday to Friday. Let's have a look real quick. All of those are income that's come in 5 days, and it just keeps going. Now, I don't know about you, I would love my PayPal account to be like this. I would love to get those notifications. And that's 200 sales in 4 days. Sorry, 4 days. 200 sales, 4 days. That is really good. And I'm going to show you here. That's an average of $829.55 per day by using this method. All right, now there's no payment buttons, as you can see, because currently it's still not live. Let me have a look through here real quick. There was something else. Nope, nothing really. I still want to show you on here. Oh, hold on. There we go. This is what you're going to get. Plug and play business model. Done for you sales funnel. You don't have to create any of those things. They'll close the sales for you. Monthly residual income. So instead of just making once-off fees, this is monthly income coming over and over and over. And you get one-on-one support as much as you like. One-on-one support. A lot of time, it's some random guy that's going to answer a question. And this is themselves replying to your questions one-on-one for as much as you want. So they take you by the hand. Everything's set up for you. They're going to show you exactly what to do. Any questions, you just ask them, they'll answer. I've been speaking to one of them. They're really friendly. And every single question that I've had, they've answered real quick, real fast. I mean, it's just top-notch, guys. So, oh, yes. Glad this actually popped up. You don't necessarily have to buy this for the full amount. Just putting it out there. You can buy it for the full amount once off. However, you can also get a $1 trial. I mean, that's $1. You don't like it, you don't pay anymore. $1. I mean, that is just a steal. And you'll still get all of my bonus. How about that? All the bonuses still included, even if you just take the $1. I mean, I can't make it any better than that. Download area. There's the members area inside. You're going to click this button. It's going to take you to the starting. I can't really show you that, so I'm quickly going to go over here. Let me have a look here. Oh, there we go. Model 1, required tools. Module 2, make your affiliate request and how to get paid through our system. Again, this is all about affiliate marketing. If you haven't realized by yet, affiliate marketing is really the way to go. In my opinion, I think it's one of the easiest way to make money. Autoresponder setup, creating your automations, traffic, emails, scaling up, recap. It's all in there. 8 modules, videos, top-notch information. Now, these are the things that I liked about this product. I've actually gone through the whole product. I'm going to tell you now. Things that I like. It's nice, short, punchy videos. Nothing bores me more than sitting through a half-hour training that they could have done in a minute. These are 2-minute long videos. Quick in, quick out. Easy to understand. Super cool. Now, you are going to need some tools. However, there's also free trials for majority of them. You don't need all of the tools. It's just to make it super easy for you, to make it as automatic as it can, so you don't have to do the work the whole time. You set it up once, done. You don't have to buy it. There is free trials for it, however, and it's only 6 tools in total. So guaranteed, if you have a blog, if you have autoresponder, you'll have most of them already. Again, it's about affiliate marketing. Now, you don't have to look for products. Sometimes it's difficult to get products to promote because people won't want to give you a link, or they don't want to give you a review copy like I have. However, they're going to give you a guaranteed approval to sell for 50% commissions. So you make 50% commission on every sale, upgrades, all of that. You can get upsells. You can get one of the OTOs that'll give you 100% commissions. I don't think you really need that. But yeah, they're going to give you... So with this, you can get started straight away. Just putting that out there. What else was there that it shows you how to create a list properly. The list segmentation, how to build up your autoresponder, how to make sure which people go where. That has been a light bulb moment for me in this video, because I've made the mistakes for a long time. Just cleared it up in literally like 30 seconds flat. and it was one of the best things that I've learned. It goes used to how to do all the pages. What else was there? Brilliant advice on how not to get your email account shut down. If you look around on Facebook, a lot of internet marketers are having the problem where their email accounts are getting shut down. And you need those emails. They lose all of their subscribers, their business goes back to zero. This is some foolproof, solid advice on how not to let that happen to you. So even if you don't want the product, this product itself, some very valuable information in there just about your list, about your autoresponder. They have some OTOs, you don't need them. I'm going to be quite honest with you, you do not need the OTOs. Things that I don't like is there's one or two things that it's a bit basic, but basic could also be really good. I just like to test everything and to make sure I get the best conversions and tweak little things. That's just me. They don't teach you how to do that. However, it is super simple, super easy. This product is absolutely amazing if you're just starting out or if you haven't seen any profits. This is going to show you basically what internet marketing is about. It's going to put you on the right track. And this is basically all done for you anyway, which I really, really, really enjoy. If you're an advanced marketer, or if you've had some experience, I don't think this product is for you. 100% honesty in all of my reviews. I don't want you to buy something and you don't know what you're getting. So if you're advanced, if you've made a couple of dollars, might not be for you. I would probably say get something else. If you're brand new or you're struggling to make any money, this product, this will definitely help you. This will definitely help you in your understanding, and it takes out all the hard work for you, which is really, really cool. So there we have it. That's all of the information I could possibly give you. Again, super awesome bonuses. 4 bonuses, perfect products. Well, not perfect, but superb products. Better than any of the PLR that other people's going to give you. Rehashed material that doesn't work. These are quality products. If you just purchase the product, this Easy Instant Profits, and you only take this one bonus, I'm going to give you all 4, but if you only take one bonus, this one right over here, you've already made your money back. Just putting it out there. 4 bonuses, products going live 29th May, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gets a thumbs up from me if you're brand new. If you're not brand new, or if you had some experience, rather not buy this product, get something else. There we have it. Full review, full honest review. Hope you get it through my link. Get those bonuses. Again, 29th May, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Stephen Banks. You've been watching yet another review from me from BrokeToBanks.com. Take care, everybody. I'll speak to you all soon again.